Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue the lesson number 5, which we have already started, adjectives. Today we will discuss about the questions which are there at page number 32 and 33, exercise number B, C and D. And before we move on to these exercises, I would like to discuss the types of adjectives. The other day we have seen the order of adjectives, and today we are going to discuss about the types of adjectives. We have got 6 different types of adjectives here. Let us talk about the first one, adjectives of quality. So what do you understand quality? Okay, in the book at page number 32 it is said, describe the quality of a noun. So it tells us the quality, of what kind is it. For example, we can see kind boy, brave soldier, heavy box. These are few examples given in the book. So it tells us about the quality of a noun or a pronoun. Let's see the second one, adjectives of quantity. Specify the quantity of nouns. So it specifies the quantity of noun as it is given in the example, one child. So one child, when we say one child, two child, three, this way we can go on saying. And one more is there, sunrise. So adjective of quantity, what does it do? It specifies the quantity of nouns. Next we have the distributive adjective. What are distributive adjectives, or what does it refer? It refers to each one of a number. So distributive, it refers to what? Each one of a number. Just like each girl, every person, this way. Next we have demonstrative. What a demonstrative? Demonstrative here, it says point to a particular nouns. Demonstrative, it says point to a particular noun. This box, that pen, these boys, those clothes. These are few examples of demonstrative adjectives. Next we have interrogative adjective. What are interrogative adjective? Interrogative adjective that asks questions related to noun. Just like whose book, which bag. These are some examples. The last one, we have the possessive adjective. So possessive adjective shows possession of nouns. So shows possessions. To whom does it belong? So it shows, this possessive shows the belonging. Like my pet, your house. No. This will be made use in exercise number D. When we do exercise number D, we'll be revising all these types of adjective, because we need in exercise number B, like adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, distributive, demonstrative, interrogative and possessive. So these 6 kinds of adjectives we need when we do question number D. I hope I have made it clear to you. If there are any difficulties, please feel free to ask questions. Now we will talk about exercise number B from page number 32. Make sentences with these words using the adjectives in the correct order. So as I already told you in the previous class, that if there are too many adjectives used in a sentence, we need to write them in an order. So which is that order? The order which I have already showed you the other day. I hope you remember that. Now what was the first one? We had the determiner. I hope you remember all this. Determiner. So what is to be placed? A or N. It is always in the beginning. Should be placed always in the beginning. Next, what did I write? Do you remember? Opinion. Next comes the opinion. Good, bad, all this comes. Then I have written, you remember size. the other day, okay, size, then shave, then condition, all these things were written there. So all these are part of appearance. Next, okay, age. Then we have, okay, then in the book, okay, you will find, okay, shape here, okay, in the fifth, you will be getting what? Shape. But I have written it here, okay. You will also do the same thing, okay. Remember, you will also do the same thing. After size, okay, you will be writing the shape. And then conditions, okay, conditions I have written, okay, right. What is the conditions? Okay, as I have already written it. Right. Then broken, whatever, okay. These are the examples of conditions. And then safe, okay, you definitely know it. Then age, okay, after age, you will be writing what? Color. So make sure that, okay, make no mistakes when you do it. So this is how you will be writing color. And then origin, okay, next comes origin. Then you have got material, and the last one was the purpose. So remember this order and then do exercise number B. So please, I am asking you again, make no mistakes in understanding. If you have any difficulty, I am telling you again, first comes the, here you see, first determiner, then opinion, soon after the opinion you will be writing the size. After size, okay, you will have to write, okay, which one? Shape and then condition. Okay, don't make any mistakes over here. First comes your size, then shape and conditions. Only then you will be writing age, color, origin, material and purpose. So following this order, you will have to rewrite the sentences from page number 32, question number B. I will show you first two, okay, and the rest you will have to do it on your own. Like here, red, new, pretty, leather purse. So which is the opinion here? Pretty, of course. Okay, so I will write pretty. Then we have, okay, pretty, then comes, okay, new. New is of, new comes here, age, okay. So new, then after that comes the color. After color comes the, which is the rest of the parts, okay, leather purse. Leather purse. Please, okay, try to understand, okay, following this, okay, you have to follow this order and then arrange all these words accordingly. If you place here and there, you are going to make mistakes. So again, I am telling you, please follow this order and then do these exercises. Next we have, okay, silk, customary, pretty, woolen shawl. So first, okay, comes the pretty. Then we have silk, okay, silk, because silk is of silk. Then Kashmiri, woolen shawl. So please, I'm asking you again, follow this and try to arrange all these adjectives in correct order. Hope I have made it clear to you. Now we will move on to question number C. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words from the brackets. So in the brackets we have the options. Okay, options are already there. So when you write in the copy, make sure that you write only the correct options along with the sentence. Please write the complete sentence and with the correct options only. Like the first one, I took some sugar from the bowl. Ritu ate the whole banana. Ritu ate the whole banana. So this way, please continue. Question number C. Now we'll discuss, okay, as I have already told you, question number D, like the types of adjectives, okay, when we are discussing that time itself, I have told you. Now complete the passage with adjectives as directed. So within the bracket, the types of adjectives are already mentioned. The first one you see, within the bracket it is written quality. So adjectives of quality. Sarthak is a kind man. So what is the quality here? The quality of a man is kind. Okay. He's a generous man also you can write. Okay. We'll write kind man. Okay. Sarthak is a kind man. He works for the welfare of the, we can write here, poor also, isn't it? He works for the welfare of the poor children of a nearby locality. Every week he buys, okay, he buys what? Tasty, we can write, okay, he buys tasty fruits from my uncle, from my, okay, my is what? My is a possessive adjective. So this way, okay, there are three more blanks. Please write them down. So once again I am repeating, question number B, C and D you have to write in the copy. Okay, please write question number B, C and D in the copy. Thank you so much.